ReCap Pro 2024 brings the new capability of linear feature extraction in the cloud, giving civil engineers a better way to design in real-world context more efficiently. Once you have published or uploaded a point cloud directly in your browser, you can extract linear feature geometry from the point cloud data inside the ReCap Cloud Viewer. You can quickly add or edit the critical feature points. A user-defined tag can be added to each feature point. You can edit this tag to represent the name of the feature you are extracting. This will help to describe the linear feature when imported as a feature line into Civil 3D. Once your critical points are set in the cross-section view, you can start the auto extraction. Line work is generated at the locations you set in the cross-section view. If the critical feature points need to be adjusted to new geometry, you simply stop the auto extraction, adjust to the new geometry, and start the auto extraction again. This gives you the flexibility to change what you're extracting quickly and efficiently. You have the ability to export the extracted linear features in LandXML or DXF file format. This new feature enables you to import into Civil 3D only the geometry needed to generate a lightweight surface model rather than inserting a large point cloud and generating very heavy surface models. This not only saves you time, but helps you with the data management of large point clouds.